Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to the channel. 2025 is right around the corner, and it's shaping up to be the year of huge opportunity, especially if you're looking to start your own business. But with so many options out there, it can be tough to know where to begin, right? Don't worry, I got you. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5+ trending business ideas that are not only future-proof, but they're also scalable and completely driven by the power of AI. That's right, we're talking about using technology to automate tasks, boost your efficiency, and maximize your profits. The best part? Some of these require almost zero startup costs, while others have the potential to explode into multi-million-dollar ventures. So if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and become your own boss, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive into the top business ideas for 2025. Alright, let's kick things off with a business idea that's exploding right now: AI-powered content creation. Remember, content is king, and in 2025, it's going to be more important than ever. Businesses everywhere need high-quality content for their websites, blogs, social media, you name it, and that's where you come in. Using powerful AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai, you can generate engaging and informative content in a fraction of the time it would take to write it yourself. We're talking blog posts, articles, social media captions, website copy, even scripts for videos like this one. And the best part? You can monetize this skill in a ton of different ways. You can offer your services as a freelance writer on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, or you can build a whole agency and scale it up. But that's not all. You can even use this AI-generated content to create your own digital products like ebooks and online courses. And if you want to go the passive income route, you can build a website or a niche blog and monetize it with ads or affiliate marketing. Trust me, the possibilities with AI-powered content creation are endless, and the earning potential is massive. And to really maximize your profits, focus on high-paying niches like tech, finance, or business, where the demand for quality content is through the roof. Next up, let's talk about another lucrative online business model selling digital products. I'm talking about things like social media templates, ebooks, online courses, stock photos, website themes, the list goes on and on. And the best part? You don't need to be a design whiz to create these products. With user-friendly tools like Canva, Notion, and Figma, you can easily create professional-looking designs, even if you have zero design experience. And when it comes to selling your digital masterpieces, platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make it incredibly easy to reach a global audience without dealing with the hassle of inventory, shipping, or physical products. You create it once, list it online, and it can generate passive income for years to come. And here's where AI comes in to supercharge your digital product business. You can use AI tools to help you come up with winning product ideas, create eye-catching designs and marketing materials, and even automate your customer support. And if you want to boost your sales even further, think about bundling your products together. For example, you could offer a social media marketing bundle that includes templates, an ebook, and a mini course. This not only provides more value to your customers, but it also increases your average order value. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, nobody wants to wait hours on hold for customer service. And that's why AI-powered chatbots are becoming an absolute game-changer for businesses of all sizes. Now I know what you might be thinking. Building a chatbot sounds complicated, but trust me, it's easier than you think. With platforms like ChatGPT API, ManyChat, and BotPress, you can create sophisticated chatbots without needing any coding experience. And the demand for chatbot services is absolutely exploding. Businesses everywhere need help automating their customer support, qualifying leads, and even making sales. Think about e-commerce stores, influencers, small businesses, even giant corporations. You can position yourself as a chatbot expert and offer your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, or you can reach out directly to businesses and offer them a monthly subscription fee for your chatbot management services. Think about it. Imagine having 10, 20, even 50 businesses paying you a monthly fee to manage their chatbots. That's recurring revenue that can completely transform your financial future. Alright, let's dive into a business model that's near and dear to my heart. Building a loyal community around your passion, and one of the best ways to do this is by starting a subscription-based newsletter or online community. Now I know what you might be thinking. Isn't email dead? Absolutely not. In fact, email marketing is more powerful than ever, especially when you're delivering valuable content that your audience actually wants to read. So, what's your area of expertise? Are you passionate about finance, AI, productivity, or maybe you have unique insights into a specific industry? Whatever it is, there's an audience out there who's hungry for your knowledge. Platforms like Beehive, Substack, and ConvertKit make it incredibly easy to create and manage your newsletter. And you can even charge a monthly subscription fee for access to your premium content. Think $5, $10, even $15 per month from thousands of subscribers. And here's where AI comes in. You can use AI tools to help you write engaging email subject lines, schedule your emails in advance, and even analyze your data to see what's resonating with your audience. Now, for the final business idea on our list, let's talk about how to leverage the power of AI to crush it with dropshipping. Now, if you're not familiar with dropshipping, it's basically a business model where you sell products online without actually holding any inventory. Here's how it works. You create an online store, usually with Shopify, find a dropshipping supplier, and list their products on your store. When someone places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to your customer. And the best part? You keep the difference between your selling price and the supplier's price. But here's the catch. Dropshipping can be incredibly competitive, and it can be tough to stand out from the crowd. But that's where AI comes in. With AI-powered tools, you can analyze market trends, identify winning products with high demand and low competition, and even automate your entire advertising process. Imagine using AI to find a product that's about to go viral, creating a killer ad campaign with AI-generated copy and targeting, and then using AI-powered chatbots to answer customer questions and close sales. That's the power of AI-driven dropshipping, and it's a business model that has the potential to generate serious profits in 2025 and beyond. So there you have it. 5 incredibly powerful business ideas that are primed to explode in 2025. And as a bonus, I've got one more for you that's super hot right now. AI-generated voiceover business. With platforms like 11 Labs, Murph.ai, and PlayHT, you can create realistic voiceovers for YouTube videos, commercials, explainer videos, audiobooks, anything you can imagine. You can sell your voiceover services on freelance platforms, or you can even create your own audiobooks and sell them online. The possibilities with AI are endless, and the best time to start is right now. Choose a business that aligns with your skills and interests, automate as much as possible with AI to free up your time, and don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. And that's it for this video. Which business idea are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more business tips and strategies, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads.